Hello everybody, my name is Taylor Fellerman and welcome to my portfolio. I created it using Wix. Here's my picture, here's my hello, my name is Taylor Fellerman, and these are the buttons we could use. So I'm going to click on my resume. Here I have my resume, my skills. Then I also have my projects, which I created in instructional technology course. And you can click on each of these links and they'll bring you to it. This is my philosophical statement, and you can contact me. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed my little screencast of my portfolio. Feel free to check it out. Thank you.